Hey guys, welcome back. So Justin has released the visual diary for his music video shoot for the Kaibigan with baler. I'm not quite sure who are they like collaborating together, but I'm really keen to see because I love the music video. I'm still shocked of the correlation between this and Surreal and how it like meshed together. It's so genius. So I can't wait to see how he made this, with who he made this, how long it took. And yeah, without further ado, let's right into it. Snippets of reality.
What's up? Hello. Today is June 27. First day shoot ng aming MV. Ng kaibigan MV.
It's not that long ago.
And gumising ako ng 4:30. Nag-ayos. Here's my fit. With the blue socks.
Video shoot day 1, first location.
Hello po. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Pure Gold para mag-shoot. So, naayos pa yung Pure Gold. Binubuksan pa for us. Thank you po, Pure Gold. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Oh yeah, the exiting of the store. I like how in-depth this video was and how like it's literally like a in a movie type it was. Like it's so in-depth.
Thank you, Pure Gold! What's up? So, biyahe na kami papuntang resto somewhere sa Nueva Ecija. It's 8:30 and tutulog muna, habol ng mga tulog kasi super aga gumising. So habol tulog tapos shoot ulit after lunch or maybe before. Depende kung may makita silang kalsada na maganda, yung advance party namin. Palang kami, kakapasok lang namin na NX.
Quite the journey.
Kasi ito talaga gusto naming pahinga, kaming magbabarkada.
Maakit ng hagdan. So mamaya bababa lang din kami.
lang. Walang
Banding namin guys, mag-stop over.
I love how simple this is, but like
Lumipat po ako ng van. Pinalayas ako sa kotse namin. Para magkaroon kami.
also that mountain kind of reminds me as well from this Surreal music video.
Parang napili
lang pala. Dito kami para i-run through yung script kasi mamaya ay mahaba-haba yung script namin.
Yung magbabatuhan po kami ngayon.
Hello. Kaliwete ako, paano ba yan? So, selfie.
Like so far they're literally just showing us how they just live, just walk around, do their stuff, prepare for I mean this is like a behind the scenes I guess, because they included this part in the music video as well. Like this road when they walked. Second location's done. But even for the vlog, like this is such a high quality like footage. Also combined with like other camera.
Saya?
So it looks more homemade.
Nakatakot? Ay! Sasaloy naman kita. Ay! Ay! Tapos best friend lang pala ako.
Hello there.
Hey! Nandito kami finally! Yeah!
mean, that's a lot of like kind of commuting, driving around to get the locations. So they literally shot from the daytime, like from the morning, early morning till
bago sa aming
late night.
Last set for today. Magkano lang kami doon. Laro-laro, tapos blanket, and more.
Like, I love the like the story blogs, like they're so good in order for location in for tomorrow's shoot.
Yay! Tapos na po kami sa aming day 1. Time check, it's 9:19.
Oh, so it's not that late.
Dahil maaga pa kami bukas.
It's just quite dark outside.
Para mag-ayos at mag-roll kami ng 4. Si RJ mahaba-haba pa yung tulog. Natulog na siya sa buong set. Tulog pa ulit siya. Thank you so much guys sa effort for day 1. Kailangan pa natin ng more effort sa day last day na yun. Let's go! Salamat po sa opportunity na makatulog po.
Thank you for making the whole set light. We're excited for day 2. Let's go!
Let's go! Good night!
Let's go! Good night!
Music day shoot 2. So they like, well, I guess like, yeah, it's like on the morning side when they talked.
Day 2. Day 2 at 3 a.m. bumangon.
3 a.m.
And nag-shoot na kami.
So they didn't have that much to sleep. It was late.
So weird
like,
lang kasi ang bilis.
after 9 when they
5. As in,
stopped
ganito
vlog.
kaliwanag na 5 a.m. Ang bilis lang nung blue hour na kailangan namin i-shoot. So medyo may kailangan post-process na kailangan daanan. So ayun. Punta po kami sa falls for our uwian scene. Kung saan ako ay may iwan sa uwian. Ayan. Tapos after noon, diretso rin kami sa arrival scene sa lighthouse. And may konting trek kami. So let's go!
There was a cool shot with the drone and everything around the lighthouse. So this day shoot is like the painful one.
Ngiting iniwan.
Wari. Hakbang tayo. Jiging.
Ryan, nagko-cross tayo. Oh!
Their location start, like they're rapidly like going through them. I think that's a cool lighthouse, to be honest. I love how chill this like behind the scenes of this music video is. I mean, I guess in the music video it was like their friends just like exploring around, but it just ended quite badly for Justin. But
Gento muna. Gento. Steady.
Yay! Thank you po.
last scene.
Go!
It's a round for them.
For us. But malapit ka na.
Thank you, Ja.
Thank you so much, Ja. Guys, pakinggan niyo yung kanta. Nakakaiyak.
Thank you so much, RJ and Nicole, for accepting this project naman. Sobrang kinabahan ako dyan, dami natin pinagdaanan. Nag-hiking, dagat, haba ng biyahe.
Buhay!
Pero Gina G, let's go.
Yes, ang saya.
3 a.m. gising.
For 2 days.
Yes.
2 days.
Di ba nga sabi nila, pag kaibigan mo,
I mean, I think it's all worth it. Like, it's also fun to shoot stuff. If the team around is nice to you, like, it's a cool experience. last few scenes, let's go. That's the screaming part, right? It's a cool like spotlight on the side.
Not yet the rap, it's a song. Ay, song din naman yung rap. So tapos na po kami, it's the second to the last scene for the Kaibigan MV shoot. Kita nyo na yung makeup ko humihiwalay na sa aking katawan. Retouch na lang. Tapos, ayun, thank you so much guys sa pagbigay ng oras. Nabol namin to lahat. So, thank you guys. Let's go. Ako po ay maliligo.
Retouch.
Kasi may iba sa ibang isla po kami.
Hello, Pablo. See, even here, like, the brotherhood. Okay, the burning. The letters and drawings. Yeah, the second day part of the shoot is like the sad one and done.
Ito yung shoot namin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong dito sa music video namin for Kaibigan. Thank you so much. Siyempre, gusto ko pasalamatan first of all, Wanzi, for helping me to work with this Kaibigan. Ang dami kong papasalamatan. Gusto rin siyempre mention Nicole and RJ for accepting this project. Sobrang grabe, G sila, ang daming pinagdaanan. Parang inisip ko, alam ba talaga nila na ganito yung pagdadaanan natin? Na-explain naman namin ng meeting, di ba? Pero talagang G sila and sabi nga, very thankful din sila na yung marami din silang first time na experience dito. So, mga first time namin sa baler, pag-hike kan, ganyan. So, grabe, thank you so much guys. Siyempre sa prod natin, grabe, thank you so much. 5 lang sila guys, 5 lang sila. Tulong-tulong. Onesie, shoot, yung mga staff namin na accountant, merchandise, naging props, naging prod assist, panis, and thank you so much din siyempre kay Sony. Yan, maraming salamat. Siyempre 18 mga mais, thank you for your support. Sana na-enjoy nyo. For now, siyempre ngayon napapakinggan nyo na napanood nyo ng music video. So, sana po ay nagustuhan. Thank you so much guys. Let's rest, let's eat, sarap. It's a wrap, cause eat, sarap. Kakain kami ng sarap. Ako nga pala si Justin at samahan niyo ako dito sa bagong episode ng Sari Buhay sa Dagat. Ang hahawak ko ay ang fossilized version ng mga sea urchins. Dito sa baler, matatagpuan ang pinakamalalaking sea urchins na mas malaki pa sa biggest fish in the world.
Educational bit. Oh, you guys, I really liked it. I don't know, it was so simple and pulled back and just, I don't know. It was simple. It was not like every other music video, like behind the scenes, I feel like, because I think the RJ Nicole, I think that was their names. It just made it like really like friendly and like chill environment and just literally having fun. And even like when they were like wrapping up for them, it's like 3 a.m. like start of the day. But like I think it's such a nice experience if you have like good people around you and you just like vibe with each other. And if the production team is good, even he said like even it's like a small production team, like thank you to everyone. And I don't know, it's cool. I don't know what I expected, but this was just cute. It was sweet and homey. It didn't feel overproduced. It felt quite natural, even though everything was thought to the detail, because I think like probably Justin's brain has like marked it in every possible way in like story blocks to know where everything is going. Because if you think about it, it was quite back-to-back shooting, just changing the locations and driving around, and then like 2 days to do such a quite a big chunk of filming, the whole thing. And it in the music video it's like a short film almost, with all the speaking parts and everything, like in between cuts. That's quite a lot of work, and they did that in 2 days. And like, I mean, those are kind of long shooting days, from early morning to late night. So, but I think they're all happy with the final result. What do you guys think of this vlog behind the scenes for the music video? What do you think of the music video itself? Were you shocked, as I was, that the correlation between this and the surreal music video, and now I can't wait for the third part of how it's gonna look like in like continuation or the beginning of this. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Let me know again in the comments down below what you think, but I'll see you next time. Bye.